Om Sai Ram, welcome to Sai Baba, the Living God, and His Divine Blessings. As promised in the second video, I'm going to share how Sai Baba managed to get my father, Sai Satyacharitra Ji, the abundance blessings. So it all happened that, as I told you all in the last video, that my father was going to get transferred and we were worried. We kept on asking Baba how to get it stopped or, at least delayed for 3 to 4 months. And one fine day, I saw in my dream Baba is saying, ask your father to read that book. And I was wonderstruck which book. Later on, when I discussed with my Sai sisters, we came to a conclusion it was Sai Satcharitra Ji, which Baba instructed. Therefore, I thought I had two Sai Satcharitra book already in my house, but I knew if I gave this to my dad, he's not going to read it. What should I do then? I thought, why not gift a beautiful red Sai Satcharitra book? And the typical one which we get from some Shirdi Sansthan, I thought not that one, the other one of the other cover page, which was a little thin also. I thought if this book I'll gift him, as if we gift him and it's a new book, might be he will read it, as it was Baba's direct orders to get it read. Therefore, we ordered online, and they showed that the delivery will be done on a particular date which was far beyond the exact birthday. And I thought, now I will be late in gifting Sai Satcharitra book to my father because the delivery will come late to us. And on that birthday, what happened? Early morning, I was a little stressed because of something. So I told to Babaji, see, I know you are hearing me, and if you are with me, come in any form in my house. This I told to Babaji. And since a week ago I had prayed, Baba somehow managed to come early in the form of Sai Satcharitra Ji, because otherwise I will be late in gifting, birthday will go away, then I'll be late. So I was saying this to Baba when I was stressed that morning, thinking about something, and I was asking Baba to come at my house. Exactly that moment, the bell rang. I didn't check who's there, nothing. I simply opened, and the man gave me something in my hand, and he went away. Generally we do not open the parcel. We keep it for sanitization for 3 to 4 days since it's COVID pandemic times. But I immediately opened that, and to my surprise, I found Sai Satcharitra book in that. On the birthday itself, the book came, and this book solved two, it was double miracle, because the parcel was supposed to come very late, and they generally do not, bring so early. Okay, they can bring 1 or 2 days before that, but not this early, like the way they delivered. And second, the moment I was thinking of Baba, he came that very moment in my house. So this two thing happened at the same time on birthday. I'll never forget it. Because that book has got beautiful paintings of Baba also. I wanted to color it, but I won't color it obviously. But then that is not simply a book, it's a blessing, I know. So this was all I wanted to share today. In the upcoming episodes, we'll share some more experiences. Stay tuned till then.